Hey everyone! Welcome back to Skill Bytes, your go-to channel for learning digital skills. In the last video, we explored the Excel interface and got familiar with the workspace. If you haven't watched that yet, check it out first. Today, we're going one step ahead. I'll show you what to create, save, and open an Excel workbook. These are the very first things you need to know before working with data in Excel. So let's get started. Alright, when you open Excel, you'll see the start screen. To create a new workbook, just click on Blank Workbook. This will open a fresh worksheet where you can start entering your data. But what if Excel is already open and you want a new file? No problem. Just press Ctrl+N and a new workbook will open instantly. A workbook is just another name for an Excel file, and inside it, you have multiple sheets where you can store and organize your data. By default, you'll see Sheet 1, but you can always add more sheets if needed. Now that we've created a workbook, let's save it. To do this, go to the File tab and click on Save As. Here, you can choose where to save your file, on your computer, OneDrive, or any other location. Next, give your file a name, for example, Sales Report, and choose the file format. By default, Excel saves files as .xlsx, which is perfect for most cases. Finally, click Save, and that's it. Your file is now stored safely. If you're working on something important, remember to save your work frequently. The easiest way? Just press Ctrl+S every few minutes to avoid losing any progress. And here's a cool tip. If you want to save a copy of your file with a different name or in another location, just go to File, Save As again, and choose a new name or folder. Now let's say you want to open a workbook that you saved earlier. Simply open Excel, and on the Start screen, you'll see a list of your recent files. Click on the one you need, and it will open instantly. If your file is not in the recent list, click Open. Browse. Go to the folder where your file is saved, select it, and click Open. That's it. Another quick way? Just press Ctrl+O, and it will take you straight to the Open menu. And that's how you create, save, and open Excel workbooks. Simple, right? If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my next lesson. In the next video, we'll learn how to enter and format data in Excel to make your spreadsheets look professional. Stay tuned.